Dear student, in this video we will learn the value-based questions of Unit 11. First we tell the story of value-based question. After then solve it. So here the story is, it was Diwali time. Nisha father bought soap pieces worth of rupees 54,500. मतलब दिवाली के टाइम पे निशा फादर क्या एक खरीदा, एक 100 पीस खरीदा. कितने रुपीज़ का? रुपीज़ 54,500 फॉर सेलिंग एट ही शॉप ड्यूरिंग द फेस्टिवल. वो अपने शॉप फेस्टिवल के ड्यूरेशन में अपने शॉप से सेल करने के लिए उसने एक 100 पीस खरीदे. ही सोल्ड ऑल सो पीसेस फॉर रुपीज़ 59,540. और उसने जो 100 पीस खरीदा है वो कितने में सेल कर दिया? रुपीज़ 59,540. ही डिसाइडेड टू शेयर हिज प्रॉफिट. उसने क्या डिसाइड किया? उसका जो प्रॉफिट है वो शेयर करने के लिए डिसाइड किया. एज विंटर वॉज अप्रोचिंग, निशा सजेस्टेड हर फादर टू बाय सम ब्लैंकेट फॉर द पुअर पीपल. एज विंटर वॉज अप्रोचिंग, आफ्टर दिवाली विंटर was approaching, so Nisha suggests her father to buy some blanket for a poor people. वो पुअर पीपल के लिए क्या है, कुछ ब्लैंकेट खरीदने के लिए सजेस्ट की. ऑन दिवाली नाइट निशा विथ हर फादर वेंट टू द नाइट शेल्टर एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. वो दिवाली वाले दिन की दिवाली वाले रात क्या किए? निशा और उसके फादर कहाँ गए? नाइट शेल्टर गए और ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए. क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए? ब्लैंकेट को. दोज ब्लैंकेट टू द नीडी, जिसे ज़रूरत थी नीडी पीपल को उसने क्या किया? ब्लैंकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया. निशा वाज हैप्पी. हर फादर आल्सो फेल सेटिस्फाई शेयरिंग हिज प्रॉफिट इन दिस वे. और उसके फादर भी निशा क्या हुई? हैप्पी हुई. और उसके फादर भी सेटिस्फाई हुए क्योंकि उसने अपने प्रॉफिट को इस वे से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया. नाउ हेयर क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मच प्रॉफिट वाज मेड बाय द निशा फादर. द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, सजेस्ट डिफरेंट थिंग दैट यू कैन डोनेट to the poor people. And third, with whom do you share your Diwali gift? The first question is, how much profit was made by Nisha father? Solution. The cost price of soap piece is equal to rupees, कितना दिया है? 54,500. रुपीज़ 54,500. ठीक है. सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ सोपीस इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 59,540. Here selling price is greater than the cost price, so he get profit, and profit is equal to SP minus CP, that is rupees 59,540 minus rupees 54,500. After subtracting you get 5,040. So Nisha father made profit of rupees 5,040. This is the answer. The second question is, here the second question is, suggest different things that you can donate to the poor people. Solution. Warm cloth. Suggest different things that you can donate to the poor people. तो warm cloth, medicine, food, sweets, etc. Now the third question, with whom do you share your Diwali gift? Answer is friend, poor people, old people, etc. Now we will start brain teaser. In the first question here, take the correct answer. In question number A, if the selling price is rupees 6085 and the profit is rupees 1289, then the cost price is, you have to find cost price. So we know that cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. So you get rupees 6085 minus rupees 1289. So you get रुपीज 5040. आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देख लो, रुपीज 6085 माइनस रुपीज 1289. सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, 15 में से 9 गया 6 बचा, 17 में से 8 गया 9 बचा, 9 में से 2 गया 7 बचा और ये 4 बचा. सो रुपीज 4796. सो option 3, rupees 4796 is correct. Now second question, in question number B, if there is a loss in a transaction which of the following is true? So answer is, if there is a loss in a transaction, which of the following is true? In this case, selling price must less than the cost price. So the option 2, selling price less than cost price, is correct. In question number C, if cost price is equal to rupees 4273, profit is equal to rupees 729, then selling price is here the cost price is rupees 4273 and profit is rupees 729. You have to find the selling price. Selling price is, solution is, we know that selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So here the cost price is rupees 4273 plus profit is rupees 729. So add them, you get 4273 plus 729. After adding you get 2, 0, 10 and 5. So 5002. So the selling price, so SP is equal to rupees 5002. So option 2 is correct. So option 2 is correct. Now in question number D, which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? First is SP plus loss is equal to CP. Second is SP minus loss is equal to CP. Third is CP minus gain is equal to SP. and fourth is SP plus gain is equal to CP. Here the correct statement is selling price plus loss is equal to cost price. So the answer A, selling price plus loss is equal to CP. This is the answer. Now in question number E, if cost price is equal to rupees 2,500, transport charge is equal to rupees 75 and gain is equal to rupees 225, then you need to find selling price is. So here actual cost price, actual CP is equal to CP plus transport charge, CP plus transport charge. So here CP is rupees 2,500 and transport charge is rupees 75. So rupees 2,575. Now the selling price is equal to actual CP plus profit, actual CP plus profit. Here actual CP is rupees 2,575 and the profit is rupees 275. After adding you get, तो क्या हो जाएगा, ऐड करोगे तो there is a mistake here, profit is rupees 225, so after adding you get rupees 2,800. So here selling price is rupees 2,800, so option 2, that is rupees 2,800 is correct. This is the answer. Now in question number 2, here fill in the blanks. In the first question here given that cost price is equal to rupees 750, transport charge in short form we write TC is equal to rupees 30, selling price is equal to rupees 900. ठीक है, तो actual CP is equal to rupees 750 plus rupees 30, it means rupees 780. It means rupees 780. Here SP you need to, here SP greater than CP, so he get profit. And profit is equal to SP minus CP. Here SP is rupees 900. SP is rupees 900 minus rupees 780. So you get rupees 120. This is the answer. Now in question number B. Here cost price is equal to rupees 10,200. Transportation charge is equal to rupees 75. Selling price is equal to rupees 10,075. Here actual CP is equal to cost price plus transportation charge. Here cost price is rupees 10,200 and the transportation charge is rupees 75. So you actual CP in we write ACP is equal to 10,275. Here selling price is less than the cost price, so he get loss. And loss is equal to CP minus SP. Here CP is rupees 10,000. Here cost price is rupees 10,275 minus 10,000 and selling price is 10,075. So after subtracting you get loss is equal to rupees 200. So you get loss is equal to rupees 200. This is the answer. Now question number 3. In question number 3, here fill in the blanks. पहला है here CP is equal to rupees 410, profit is equal to rupees 75. You need to find the selling price, and we know that SP is equal to CP plus profit. So rupees 410 plus rupees 75, it means rupees 485. This is the answer. Now in question number B, here given that cost price is equal to rupees 3400, loss of rupees 2050, loss is equal to rupees 2050. You need to find the selling price. You need to find selling price, and we know that selling price is equal to CP minus loss. So you subtract 3400 minus rupees 250. After subtracting, you get rupees 3150. That is SP. So selling price is rupees 3150. Now in question number C, here the cost price is equal to rupees 70,800. Selling price is equal to rupees 75,000. You need to here selling price is greater than the cost price, so he get profit. And profit is equal to SP minus CP. So you get rupees 75,000 minus rupees 70,800. After subtracting, you get 4,200. That is the profit. So profit is rupees 4,200. Now in question number D. In question number D, cost price not given. Selling price is equal to rupees 890. Profit is equal to rupees 110. We know that CP is equal to SP minus profit. Here SP is rupees 890 and profit is rupees 110. After subtracting, you get rupees 780. This is the cost price. And in question number E, here cost price not given. Selling price is equal to rupees 4,850. Loss is equal to rupees 1,050. Loss is equal to rupees 1,050. So we know that cost price is equal to SP plus loss. Here SP plus loss. Here SP is rupees 4,850 and loss of rupees 1,050. After adding, you get 5,900. This is the answer. So today we complete brain teaser from question number 1 to 3. Today's homework, you have to do brain teaser from question number 1 to 3 and value based question of unit 11. Thank you.